this dress is getting kind of old. Maybe I should go shopping for a new one. Where could I find a good dress? This shop looks kind of interesting. They're pretty, but not exactly right. Yes! When can I pick it up? What else do I need? Maybe some new accessories. And I could get my hair done. The time's finally come! I can reveal to you a new model! I will be getting more facial expression, as right now I can only show you my mouth open and close and my eyes open and close and like head movement. I'll be getting expressions. I'll be getting new look. I'll be getting emotes. I'll be getting new overlays. I'll be getting a new profile picture. And we'll finally have a schedule. I'm really looking forward to presenting to you the new Monday. And I hope that you will join me when I get to use her for the first time. The reveal will be on my streaming channel, which you will find in the description below. And I hope that you will join me and celebrate my new look with me. I hope to see you there. Till then, bye bye!